Good morning, children. Welcome in English class. Learners, today we will read our new chapter, chapter number 5. The moon came from heaven. This is a poem written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, the moon, you know moon very well, came from heaven. What is heaven? The place where in some religions it believed that God lives and the good people go when they die. हेवन मीन्स स्वर्ग. कुछ लोग कुछ धर्मों में ये सोचते हैं कि भगवान स्वर्ग में रहते हैं और जो पृथ्वी पर रहने वाले लोग अच्छा काम करते हैं वो मरने के बाद स्वर्ग में जाते हैं. So learners, now we are starting the poem. If the moon came from heaven, talking all the way, what could she have to tell us and what could she say? Children, would you like to talk with the moon? I think all of you like. Okay. If you see, how do you feel? If you see the moon, how do you feel? You feel happy. The moon coming from the heaven. Heaven, I have already explained. All the way without limit. जब चांद आकाश से स्वर्ग से नीचे धरती पर आएगा, what would she have to tell us? आपको क्या लगता है कि वो आपसे क्या बातें करेगा? Same is speak. Children, are you excited? Are you excited to know that what could she talk to us? जब कोई आता है तो हमसे कुछ बातें भी करता है ना. अगर चांद स्वर्ग से जमीन पर आ रहा है तो आप एक्साइटेड हो कि वो हमसे क्या बातें करेगा. I have seen 100 pretty things and seen 100 gay, but only think I peep by night and do not peep by day. Pretty means attractive, lovely. The poet want to say, if the moon comes to the earth from heaven, she would say that she had seen so many pretty things. अगर चांद जमीन पर आता है तो वो कहेगा कि मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें, सुंदर सुंदर चीजें जमीन पर देखी हैं. कैसी देखी हैं? प्रीटी थिंग्स. कितनी? 100. ऑल सीन 100 गे. और क्या देखा है? गे. गे मीन्स पीपल ऑफ द सेम जेंडर. उसने क्या देखा? 100 गेज. मून ने 100 प्रीटी थिंग्स देखी हैं और 100 गेज देखे. ओके. नाउ पीप. पीप मीन्स झांकना. झांकना. लुक क्विकली by night. Not only the moon would say, I peep by night. कि मैं केवल रात को झांक सकता हूँ. कब? रात को. And do not peep by day. दिन में नहीं झांक सकता. क्यों? क्या आपको दिन में चांद दिखाई देता है? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि दिन में सनलाइट होती है and that is so much strong that we can't see the moon in the daylight. So children, by this poem, we have come to know that in this world everything is very good, very beautiful. सारी चीजें इस संसार में बहुत प्यारी हैं, as the moon is saying to us. Is this right? Yes. Okay. Learners, the poem has been completed. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.